Ready to clone yourself into the digital world? Let's dive into Veo 3 and create an AI avatar that's uniquely you. Step by step. First, head over to the Veo 3 website and create an account. Once you're logged in, you'll see the Create Avatar button. Give it a click. Now for the fun part, customization. You can upload photos of yourself or use Veo 3's built-in tools to fine-tune your avatar's facial features, hair, and even clothing. Experiment with different styles until you're happy with the look. Next, let's give your avatar a voice. Veo 3 offers a variety of preset voices, or you can record your own voice samples to create a truly personalized digital vocal identity. Play around with pitch and tone to get it just right. Want your avatar to be witty or serious? Veo 3 allows you to define personality traits like humor, empathy, and confidence. These traits will influence how your avatar interacts in different environments. Once your avatar is ready, Veo 3 makes it easy to integrate it into various platforms, connect your social media accounts, or explore virtual reality integrations to bring your digital self to life in new and exciting ways. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you've created your own AI avatar with Veo 3. Now go out there and explore the possibilities of your digital self. #AI avatars #Veo 3